Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Daisy Apparel. As you probably saw by the title, this video is just about some updates about my life because there's a lot of changes coming up. So here I just have some notes about what I wanted to talk about. But first, I just want to say that I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot recently. I was busy with school, and then now I feel like I always am good about sewing things and crafting and filming it, but I never get around to editing that video footage. So I'm going to try to make sure I start doing that more so that I can get some videos up to you guys. So currently I'm in summer break, and then I just graduated high school, and this fall I'm going to be going into college, which I'm so excited about. But I will be living on campus, which means I'm not going to be able to bring my sewing machine with me because I'll be living in a pretty small dorm. There won't be space for it. And in general, sewing tends to take a lot of space because of cutting fabric and everything like that. So this means that I'll probably be changing my content a little bit. So my plan is to try to film as much sewing content over the summer as I can while I'm still at my house. And then I'll probably slowly post that throughout the year. That way, for those of you guys who watch these videos who only sew and don't knit or anything else, you'll have something to watch too. But in general, in college, I think I'm gonna do a lot more knitting and cross stitching. And I wanna try watercolor and other fun crafts too, which I'm really excited to try new things. And comment down below what types of crafts I should do now that I'm in college and I won't have as much space, but what are some of your favorite crafts? So far, I know for sure I want to do knitting. I'm actually currently working on a knitting project and I'm going to try to get that pattern out somewhat soon, but it's still a lot more to go. And then I also am working on a few cross-stitch patterns, so I'll try to get those out to you probably a bit sooner. But I would love to hear what some of your favorite crafts are or what you think I should do for fun in college. A big thing I'm very excited for is going to be living on campus in a dorm, but with that comes what's also very exciting, which is decorating my dorm room, which should definitely make a video about me decorating and moving into my dorm room. But to make those decorations, I thought it'd be fun if I actually handmade them instead of just buying a bunch of stuff. I have plans to watercolor pictures hang on the wall and make little cross-stitch designs to also hang up. And currently I'm working on a quilt to match my dorm room, which the dorm room's theme is going to be kind of an ocean-y, East Coast theme. And I've been making some pillows as well. And I think it'll be just really fun because they're kind of like little crafts that are, one, pretty small and easy, but also you can do for your house, or it's a lot more generic kind of. And if maybe sewing clothes intimidates you, I feel like there's lots of small projects that are a lot easier to get dip your toes in the water. Overall, I'm really excited about this whole process, but I thought it would be necessary to just update you guys. That way you kind of know what's going on. So definitely comment down below any types of crafts you would like to see me do, or maybe that you do and you think I would enjoy to do. Because I know I always love to do so many different things, and I assume some of you guys are that way too, where if you sew or knit, you probably have other side hobbies as well. I would love to take you guys along with me as I do some of those or share what I'm making and things like that. So just comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and your support means so much to me. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all the things I'm doing. And if these craft projects sound fun, then definitely follow along to see what I make and how you can make it too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.